In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D icons with Figma. Slack 3D icon. We'll start from a simple design file and build a polished dimensional version of the familiar 4-color mark using only vector shapes, gradients, and layered shadows. By the end, you'll understand how to shape light and depth so your icon looks tactile and professional. Begin by opening your design in Figma and navigating to the frame or artboard where you want to work. Give yourself a clean space so you can clearly judge contrast and depth as you go. Zoom in to a comfortable level, and make sure snapping and alignment guides are visible to keep everything consistent. Now draw the 4 colored shapes. Use the rectangle tool to create a rounded rectangle with generous corner radius so it feels like a soft capsule. Duplicate and rotate as needed to form the familiar 4-part arrangement. Evenly spaced around the center with slight breathing room between each piece. Keep sizes identical and align the group, so the composition feels balanced and symmetrical. These shapes don't need to be perfect pills, roughly rounded rectangles are ideal. Next, apply vibrant color to each section using linear gradients. Assign blue, green, yellow, and red 1 color per second shape and set a gradient that transitions from a lighter tint on the side where your light source hits to a deeper tone on the opposite side. A common setup is light coming from the top left. So place the lighter stop there and angle the gradient diagonally. Aim for smooth transitions so the surfaces feel curved, not striped, and keep saturation lively without clipping. Add multiple inner shadows to each shape to reinforce form. Use one tighter, slightly darker inner edge facing away from the light to suggest depth at the rim. Then a broader, softer inner shadow to create gentle fall-off across the surface. Work at low to medium opacity so the effect enhances the gradient rather than overpowering it. Adjust the X and Y offsets and the blur on these inner shadows to fine-tune the direction and softness. Positive X and Y move the shadow right and down. Negative values move it left and up. Keep these values consistent across all 4 shapes so the lighting direction stays believable. Finally, add a drop shadow to each shape to complete the beveled 3D effect. Use a short distance, moderate blur, and a darker tone sampled from the shape's color for a cohesive look. Maintain the same light angle as before, so the set reads as one unified icon. That's it. Thanks for watching.